We have parents that are writing the names of their children on their arms. You want to know how human a Palestinian child is? Look around you and see all the Palestinian children that grew up in this country because their parents were displaced. I want you to remember this the next time someone uses this doublespeak of caring about Islamophobia and anti-Arab bigotry in this country, but using the same tactics and framings to justify the killing of our brothers and sisters there. I said to this man that if I had never been born in this country, if my parents did not find a way out of that occupied land to raise me here, you who is expressing condolences to me here would have justified my death over there. There's no difference between a Palestinian that is here and a Palestinian that is there.